Wait, check this out. Look how beautiful this frame TV came out. We got 2.1 in here in the living room. There's 2 speakers in the ceiling to give us stereo sound. So what we had to do is we had to cut out holes for each speaker, of course, move the insulation out of the way, shot our glow rods into the attic to where we could plug them up in the media room. Then we got these speakers mounted just like this. And once that's done, we got it tightened down real nice and neat. Got the grill cover. We're going to flip that over right there. We're going to stick it on just like that. And once that's done, we're going to move on to the next one. We cut this one out. Bam, just like that. That's how we do it, baby. Get the wire fish just in the wall just like that, baby. And then, bam, we're going to tape it to the glow rod. And then we're going to pull it up into the attic, baby, just like that, baby. And then when it's done, we're going to go ahead and strip it. And then we're going to, oop.
Ow!
Didn't mean to do that, but, yeah. Oop. Make sure your kids are out of the way when I'm doing that thing. And then I'm going to put the speaker into the ceiling just like that. Tighten it down like, yes, sir. Got the grill cover again. Going to put it on just like that. Once that's done, this is how it comes out, guys. Look at that frame TV nice and flush. And we got all this done in the media room. We got the AVR right here. So we had to clean up all of the wiring. Got a few brush plates to make it happen. So yeah, look at that. Black on one side, white on the other side. We're going to get both AV receivers in just like that. Once that's done, we got sound in the living room and in the media room. We also got 2 TVs installed. This is one of them with a real white sound bar, and then in this one, no sound bar, but curved real nice and clean. Of course, we had to peel off the plastic on the projector. Can't leave that on there. Bam, nice and crispy, baby. Check it out, guys. 7.1 in the theater. We didn't install these speakers, but we got it wired up. So, yep. Sounds amazing. If you're looking for an install like this, go ahead and drop us a message in the DM and we'll get back with you, baby.